Hello everyone, my name is Pinks. So I kind of forgot to record an intro. It's a few days later, it's snowing. Today we're going to be installing the coilovers I was talking about, the Raceland coilovers. We're going to be installing those into the IS250. Wheel is off. What are we doing? What did you say?
With the front, fucking, I don't know.
Brake line?
Yeah.
I'm getting a video of him chilling in the box. Okay, got the coilover into position. Got the coilover in. Just need to get one of the bolts. Okay guys, a little update. We only got the driver's side front coilover. We only got that one on, and it's not even fully on yet. We still need to fucking tighten one of the bolts all the way, but that shit won't go. Got my cousin coming over, he's gonna help me, and we're gonna try to get it all done. Got both of the coils installed. Okay, so the coilovers perform great. I haven't taken it up to the mountains, but around the city it's fucking amazing. I did race, and the fucking GoPro footage got messed up, dude. Like, the audio's fucked, so that video is useless. I got walked by a fucking Jetta and a fucking truck. So, yeah. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. Sorry, but that one's fucked.